Hey guys, welcome to Coding 101, and this is the 28th day of 30 days of code. Yes, the second last of the code. We are just one more days to go. In this problem, we will learn about RegEx pattern and databases. This is the input and output pattern of the problem. Let's come to the expanded view of the editor and select Java 7, as we will be writing this code in Java 7. Now, first thing first, let's remove the unwanted code, as we will be writing our own code for the problem. Now change the name of a scanner object from scanner to in, as it is convenient that way, but if you wish, you can leave it as it is, or change it as per your choice to any name you want. Now copy the rest of the code as shown. And with this we have completed the coding part. Now let's run our code and see what output comes. Looks like we have made some typo mistakes. Let's rectify it and run the code again. Looks like we have made some typo mistakes. Let's rectify it and run the code again. Now let's submit the code, as we have successfully compiled the sample test cases. And with that we have completed the 28th day of 30 days of code. Meet you in the next video. But before going, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss the upcoming updates.